Hello and welcome to another QSM tutorial. We are making a patient satisfaction survey using different question types and the Breeze theme. To create a survey form, you would need to install the QSM plugin on your website, and to learn that, click the banner on the top right corner of your screen. We will be using a disposable WordPress website on InstaWP to explain this tutorial to you guys. Hover over QSM and click on Quizzes and Surveys. Here you have to add a new survey. Choose the suitable QSM theme and configure the quiz name as Patient Satisfaction Survey. Select the form type as survey and configure your timer, number of questions per page, and other options for your survey. Further, you can choose the add-ons that you want to use for the survey. Moving on, you will be directed to the Question tab. And here we will start adding our survey questions one by one. I am adding here the first question: how satisfied were you with the care you received? And now adding the answers option for it, but this can be a polar type question. So I would change it to polar type and add the points for each option. And you can describe the scale grade on the basis of kind of comfort level. Next, we will add another question, and for this question, we will opt for the multiple choice type and save the question. Similarly, you can add more questions to your patient satisfaction survey, and you can make such surveys quickly with the QSM plugin. Now I will edit the Contacts tab. In a survey, the contact form is very important, so let's go with name, email, and phone number options, and we will save our contact form. Jumping to the Text tab, you can customize the text that is displayed before your survey begins. You can add a small description for the same. Moving on to the Results page tab, we will quickly edit the result page display by adding media like the photos, GIFs, or videos and text conclusions. Now once this is done, we will save the results page and switch to the Style tab to change the survey theme. I am going with the Breeze theme, and I am going to customize its setting to match the feel of our patient satisfaction survey. Further, you can add a relevant featured image to your survey and make it more attractive. We would publish our survey, and to do that, I would simply copy the quiz embed shortcode. Create a new post. And add the embed shortcode to this block. And hit publish. When you view the post, you will be able to see the patient satisfaction survey has been embedded into your blog. Let me just quickly answer this survey for you all. For the polar question, you can easily glide this bar along. As you can see that the Breeze theme has a unique hover animation, and I will be honest, it is quite inviting. Likewise, you can complete the survey and click on Submit, and that's how you can create a patient satisfaction survey. Thanks for watching.